Finally, this is the last topic of this notebook. So if you want to go deeper to the Z-transform using Python, so I recommend that you go to the Guitars AI GitHub. There you'll find the notebooks and tutorials on multi-rate signal processing. This is another subject offered by Professor Schuler at the UMNL University of Technology, and there you'll find this notebook so we can go deeper into frequency response, the relation between Z-transform and the DTFT. So if we go here, then we see here there are many examples. So we discuss also common types of frequency transforms, and we have this topic here for the Z-transform, and then also we have a topic for the frequency response. So different examples. We use low pass filter as a moving average. So if you want to go deeper into Z-transform, you can check out Guitars AI GitHub, so the multi-rate signal processing notebooks. So that's it, and see you another time.